Can you tell what they are?
I'm trying. I think they're Jakes. All three of them are Jakes up on the thanks vehicle.
Okay, moving on.
Moving on.
Alright, well, we're out here. It's not February, as I said earlier. It is April. April 18th, Friday. Tomorrow's the youth hunt. And Wyatt's going to be hunting, so JoJo will be behind the camera, big little sister. But yeah, we just came out to try to see if we could get some birds to gobble, locate some. The winds are pretty bad, so it's making it hard to hear, but we're just out here seeing if we can locate one and put one to bed. If not, you know, we'll just be running blind in the morning. But it is what it is. Public land. It's what we got, so we enjoy it, do the best that we can. So anyway, we'll just try and see if we can hear some birds. I mean, it's so hard to hear them, even if they did gobble. I mean, I don't even know if they could hear me. It's not blowing as bad right here, but now, as soon as I say that, it's picking up. Look at me. There's some scratching over there. There's some scratching right there.
Oh. I heard a gobble across the road.
Did you?
Promise to God, before you did it, I heard it.
I mean, probably not from this. You're thinking it was gobbling already?
Before you even did that, I heard it across the road. And then you did it.
We can drive down there and see.
Sorry.
Let's go just do it right here. It's April 19th for the youth season. Wyatt in his last youth season out here trying to get a bird. They're calling for rain a lot of this morning from like first 4 hours or so. So we're gonna go get set up in a blind just to make sure, and cameras, everything stays dry. And they're saying it's possible that the rain kind of just skirts us, so maybe we don't get hammered. So it's a good possibility maybe first thing the birds, when they fly down, they are actually still doing their thing, and maybe we can call one in. So that's what we're hoping for anyway. So we'll see what happens. But
here comes the rain. I feel it.
Here's the thunder.
I feel the rain. It's raining right now.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get set up and we'll see what happens. Does that sound like a hen?
That's what I thought. I just said that. I told you I'm hearing stuff over here.
I thought I heard a hen.
I'm hearing stuff over here.
Hey Wyatt, get up, get up.
That's a geese.
No, that is, but I heard a hen a few minutes ago. Hey, unzip that a little bit, just so we can look through it. I don't want to get it to where, because like if a bird is coming, and you need to switch seats with me if it's coming from your right or your left, Wyatt. Don't open it too wide.
So as Katie, Wyatt, and Dad hunt the rest of that morning, the temperature dropped severely and they were very underdressed. So they left the blind, went and got something to eat, warmed up, and on their way back, a strutter and a few hens were right by the blind. Right now, they're crawling to this tom, trying to get back to the blind and trying to get a shot at this bird. As hilarious as this is, I cannot believe that they actually got this close. Just watch.
Trying to get him in focus. He's pretty, ain't he? It would be cool if you kill this bird. This is the same exact spot Ethan crawled up and shot his bird. I know. Dude, they could bring him like right over to us. I sure hope so. The hen is walking right to our blind. If you have to move the other direction. That's what I'm doing right now. All right, do it. The hen is right in front of us. Okay. Do you see it right in front of us? Yeah, I do. 30 yards. I do. Just be patient. I'll tell you if he's in range. Just let him come, let him come. Now he's coming. When he gets to the open, Wyatt, get it on him and kill him. Get it on him and kill him when he stops and turns. Are you on him? Yeah. I'm on him. Don't let him walk too far. Kill him. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Run out and get him. Run out and get him. Run out and get him. Woo! Yeah, baby. I do not know how you got away with that.
I don't know either. Good Lord.
Dude, I was having such a hard time. It wouldn't focus on him.
Dude, so you said wait till he gets to the opening.
Yeah.
As soon as he got to the opening, I went, okay. Oh, he's got pretty decent spurs.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's.
Oh, dude. What in the world? Look. Look.
Yeah, I know. I told you the blind.
You would have killed him.
Huh?
You would have killed him.
Oh yeah, I would have. But oh my God, I told you I saw the neon green. Whoa.
Here comes JoJo.
Love you, Mama.
And tell me what you think he weighs. 22?
18.
I think he's 22.
I think he's.
I didn't even pick him up yet, but just looking at him.
He's like 19. There's no way. I picked him up way too easily.
Did he look pretty or not? Strutting, dude.
But I picked him up way too easily.
That head was all white.
Oh my Lord, it was red, white, blue.
JoJo!
And then
Dad,
you and Katie went in
I
their
drove
ditch
by
and scared
one.
the birds away.
Huge tom, 10 feet from the road, with like 4 hens.
Yeah. Yeah.
When I had
Yeah,
turned
well, I
back
just smoked
around,
the bird from the pump.
he was still a ways down there, but on the
Because,
line.
Fan open, it looks dumb.
Yep,
There you
that just
go.
like that.
Now raise it up a little bit. Raise it up.
Yep.
All right, lean into it a little bit.
Smile, big guy. Runs like his brother.
Yeah, he does. So I'm standing right here. The bird pretty much fell like right where I'm standing. So right here's the bird.
Dude, that's insane.
It's so far. Lay down. That's exactly what he was like right there.
That's crazy.
I can't believe you shot this bird 60 yards.
No commentary from Wyatt.
Winchester 3.5 XR inline, number 5s. So listen, there's our blind from this morning in the pouring rain that we were in. We decided to leave to go to try to find another bird, and we came back and our blind was knocked over by the wind. Chaos ensued. Had we been in the blind, he would have walked right in front of the blind and we would have killed him at a closer range. But let's get all this together. And
Mom can make breakfast!
yeah, Mom
said-
can make.
When I called her, Mom goes, "You guys are gonna have the best breakfast ever." So I was like, "Oh, all right."
All right, we got to get this blind all cleaned up and ready to go back to the car. The car's way over there.
Dude, I was running down here and I'm like, I'm still going?
JoJo parked off the side of the road and dropped us off and let us come back and get this silly bird.
I've been the
I'm so excited.
best chauffeur today.
Yes, you have.
Go ahead.
Oh man, this is so much better than I thought. All right, I'm coming over here. See what it weighs.
Oh my. 20.7, 20.8.
Yeah, 20 pounds.
I said
21.
my last thing was 20. Maybe they do have.
Tell me his beard.
9.
I already know what it is.
9.
I said 7.
Go ahead.
9.
9. You are both on crack. It's at least 11-inch beard.
It is at least 11 inches. It is 11 and 3.
11. 7.
Or,
What? You just got used to not having a beard. All right, I'll go to that one.
gotta
That one's 1 inch.
you gotta start at the base. Come on.
1 inch.
A little over an inch.
Little inch and a 16th. So 11-inch beard.
Why do all my birds have really big beards?
I don't know. That's
All
you're
of
right.
Mine have,
All of my birds have big
You're
beards.
right.
all my birds have big spurs.
Yes.
And no beard.
One had no beard.
That was sad.
He was a stud bird too.
Dad's bird had a lot of weight, big spurs, but no beard. Did your 28 pounder have a beard? How big was it?
10 1/2, I think.
Mine's bigger.
It's true. All right. Pick him up.